how to use Humana Healthy Benefits card at Walmart. You will need to go to the Walmart website, and this is going to be our search query. Humana Healthy Benefits OTC eligible products. Once we type this, it is going to display a list of all of the available items which you can use, which you can get with your card. Now, for example, let's do this one, this item. So it's gonna be chewable as tablets. So you wanna go and click on Add to Cart. And here, once we view our cart, I'm going to remove my previous item, which I got here. Then from the payment methods section, if you click on continue to checkout, it is going to give you an option to add a benefits card. There you will provide your Humana Healthy Benefits card info, and it's going to apply the discount for this specific item which you have chosen. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.